General issues associated with testing in software engineering. Introduction to testing issues. Software testing is a critical phase in the software development lifecycle. Understanding the general issues associated with testing can enhance software quality. This presentation will explore common challenges faced during the software testing. Here we have a phases of software development life cycle. First one is plan, and second one is design, third one is implement, and fourth one is testing, and develop, and finally we have to maintain. Incomplete test coverage. Achieving complete test coverage is often a significant challenge in testing. Limited test cases can lead to undetected defects in the software. It is essential to prioritize testing efforts based on risk and impact. Time constraints. Here we have developing a product or any technological related to internet. We have to maintain the time constraint. Time constraints. Time pressure can severely hinder the testing process. Often testing is squeezed into tight schedules, leading to rushed equations. Insufficient time may result is in overlooking critical test scenarios. We have to maintain the time management while we are doing a project or we are developing a product. Time constraints is very important develop a product for a project. Next one is resource limitations. Testing requires skilled personnel, tools, and environment to be effective. For example, we are testing a product or a project. We have we want a skilled person or tools resources to develop efficiently to develop a product. Organization may face a shortage of qualified testers or inadequate testing tools. Resources limitations can affect the thoroughness and the reliability of testing. Resources also play a major role while in testing. Okay, while we are developing a project or a product, uh, the resources and the time management plays a crucial role, and tools also play a major role in a project. Next one is evolving requirements. Software requirements often change during the development lifecycle. Frequent changes can invalidate existing test cases and lead to additional work. Testers must adapt quickly to evolving requirements to maintain a relevance. Step-by-step guide to creating software development requirements. First one is elicitation. Discuss with the stakeholders, reviewing existing document and understanding the project goals and environment. The aim to gather information about the software systems, user space, and quality attributes. The next one is analysis. Examining and refining the requirements gathered during allocation. This may involve grouping, eliminating, and prioritizing requirements based on the stakeholders' needs and goals. The next one is specification. Documenting software development requirements is an SRS documents. The SRS should be described each requirement cleared and guide the development process. Validation. Verifying that the software development requirements are realistic, valid, unambiguous, complete, and demonstrable. They may involve using prototype, use cases, reviews, or test. And last one is management. Document tracing and agreeing the software. Environment issues. Testing environments can differ significantly from production environments. Discre- Discrepancies may lead to false positives or negatives in test results. Establishing a reliable testing environment is crucial for accurate assessment. Type of development testing and production environment. Development environment, test environment, staging environment, and next one is production environment. Automation challenges. While automation can enhance efficiency, it also brings challenges. Creating and maintaining automated tests can be time consuming and complex. There is a risk of over relying on automation which may miss critical manual testing. Next one is integration and compatibility testing. Testing Integration testing is efficient but can complicated by interdependent components. Compatibility with various devices, platforms, and browsers add to testing complexity. Ensuring a seamless integration requires thorough planning and execution. Defect management. Managing defect efficiently is a critical aspect of the testing process. Poor defect tracking can lead to unresolved issues and reduced software quality. Establishing clear communication challenges for defect reporting is virtual. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much for listening to my presentation.